Choosing the right color scheme makes your Shopify store visually appealing and reinforces your brand identity. Start by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard and going to Online Store, then Themes. Click Customize on your active theme to open the theme editor. Open Theme Settings and select Colors. Begin by choosing your primary color, which should reflect your brand and be used for main buttons, headers, or highlights. Pick a secondary color for accents, such as banners or call-to-action buttons, and an optional accent color for small elements like links or badges. Preview how the colors look on your homepage, product pages, and other sections to ensure readability and consistency. Once you're happy with the color scheme, click Save to apply the changes across your store. After saving, your Shopify store now features a cohesive and attractive color scheme. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.